to my channel. So I am back with this recreation by Kalima. I think I'm saying her name right. I hope I'm saying it right, but I completely took this look from her, so all credit to her. But I really love this look. I like how it turned out. You guys keep watching to see how I got this look using my fall collab collection. I'm gonna go in with the matte black from the new Fearless Faces Makeup Artistry palette. It's actually really similar to the Princessa Azteca palette, but I will do a completely separate video on that. But I'm taking this matte black. So I'm taking 39A palettes, and I'm going to use this brown shade right here to blend this out. I'm going to take a M506 and kind of blend the black out first. And now I want to go in with the brown. So I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease. I gotta cut it up too high, but I can't really tell yet. I'm taking this neon stacker from Glow Glitters, and I'm taking the blue from the top. This blue is way more like neon or more bright than the other one I have, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, excuse my nails. I broke my my black eyeshadow and it got everywhere, so I have to go clean it up. So these pigments from Glow Glitters go on really nice and smooth. They're not patchy. That's a plus. You know what? I'm gonna use some concealer that's my skin tone. Going back to the 39A palette, I'm going to take this brown again and pack that on the first half of my eyelid. And then I took this one right here and kind of blended it in. And then I want to take some more black and blend out the very end. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyelid with some glitter glue, but I'm gonna line it in the shape of a eyeliner. And today's glitter is coming from the Glow Glitters times Kirsten fall collection. And you guys, this will be launching very soon. But I'm taking this color right here, and that is what I'm gonna be using for my eyeliner today. Also with this collection, you guys will see it later, you guys will receive a pair of glow lashes. So, and I'm wearing them right now, so yeah, you guys get a pair of lashes and 6 glitters. I will let you guys know when the collection launches. But yeah, let me go ahead and line my eyelid. Take this white eyeliner from NYX and just literally trace the top of the glitter. I'm going to be applying these lashes that are also from the Glow Glitters x Kirstenn Fall Collection. Okay, now that I have on my Kirstenn lashes, I'm going to take this glitter that's also from Glow Glitters, and it's in the shade Galaxy. And if you're wondering, this is a Real Techniques brush. It's a number 402. Okay, I'm gonna line my bottom waterline really quick with some eyeliner, and I use this eyeliner from NYX. What is this called? The retractable eyeliner. So I just turned my lighting down so you guys can actually see the glitter. I forgot to put some glitter in the inner corner of my eye. I forgot to do a lot of stuff actually. I didn't even smoke the black out at the bottom. I'm just taking some more black and I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna take some more of that same glitter and put some in the inner corner of my eye. Isn't it so crazy how the lashes and the highlight bring the look together? So I'm gonna take a little bit more of the brown we used earlier on an E36, which is a very small brush, and I'm gonna go right up under the black. I'm gonna use this glow mist to set my face from Glow Glitters, and it has like a very pretty shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I can do it off camera though because I don't want to spray my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy watching me recreate this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are of course subscribed to my channel for more videos. Definitely make sure you guys go check out my fall collection. I'm not sure if it would have been released by the time you guys see this video, but I'll definitely let you guys know when it drops. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.